Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a super quick unboxing for you. And that is that I have purchased some extra square drill diamonds. These came from Amazon. They are listed as square luminous neon stones for diamond painting accessories. 20,000 pieces, 20 colours, shiny diamonds, glow in the dark, sparkle beads for nails, gems, arts, crafts or ornaments. 1,000 pieces per bag. So they were £19 and 10p. And yeah, I'm just gonna open them up and see. So let's find some scissors. So I had been looking for some extra special drills to add to my current diamond painting. So I've just done a number on my manicure. Damn it. Never mind. Not important. Yeah, so I'm currently working on a Jeremiah Kettner canvas for a number of events throughout June, and I really wanted to add some glow. So this is the little card that is not in English. There you go, if anyone wants to. Oh. So, yeah, they appear to be made by the Forever Young company, and they come like this in a little drill train. Okay, oh, we get a few little baggies. Fine, not going to turn those down. And then, so we've got no DMCs on these. They are just listed. Oh, we've got 1, 3, 11, 2, 9, 20, 21, 22, 6, 15, 19, 23, 16, 5, 4, 7, 8, 24, 12, 13. There's no rhyme or reason for that. I don't know if anybody else knows what those numbers represent, whether there is a list somewhere of glowy drills that I didn't know about. So let's get out the old UV lamp and we'll have a look and see how glowy these guys are. Let's just turn some lights off. Okay, that's about as dark as I can get it in here while it's daytime. So we'll just have a little look and see. So yeah, we can see that one glows up from a white to a green tone. We've got this one which is an orange, which then glows yellow. The red, or orange rather, which glows a slightly different orange. Doesn't hold its glow very long, but obviously I'm not leaving this on there for very long. We've got a pink. Which glows almost to white. Be interesting to see how these work once they're on a canvas. Some of these seem to have a sort of a glow pigment on top of them. It's got this, oh, bright yellow. Some of these colours are almost neon to begin with. Yeah, so they're not holding their glow for a very long time, but I think they will work for my needs. Green. Got lots of different shades of green here. It's nice to have glow drills that aren't just white, because everything else that I already had was a white. So, oh, that's interesting. This one glows up a very different colour to what you'd expect. It's got almost little sparkles in it. They are kind of a jelly drill consistency for the most part. yeah, again, we're getting that slightly different colouring, which is nice. Oh, wow. You can really see it there. Look at those. Yeah. I should have had these sat out in the sunshine, really. Not that we've got much sunshine today, but... Orange, blue. I think mostly I'm going to be using the sort of yellows and maybe some of the blues because I'm doing stars and a moon. That's lovely. I like that a lot. This purple one, which glows up a blue. It would be good if it came with some sort of list as to what colour turned into what. But again, the purple goes a light blue. It's very bright green here. Goes an even brighter green. This is another one that's got the sort of sparkle coating on, where it's not the whole drill, it's just the sort of top of the drill that seems to change. I've got a blue. That's holding its colour quite nicely. And then this one is, again, it's got that slightly different coating. But yeah, very interesting. Not a bad price at all for such a great selection. And I will, of course, let you know how I decide to use them and what I decide to use them, you know, for. How I need to figure out some storage for them as well, because obviously they can't stay in these trays of bags. So I just thought I'd let you know that if you are looking to purchase some extra special drills, and particularly if you're like me and you're in the UK and shipping stuff over from some of the lovely firms that are in the States is a bit of a problem, then these on Amazon might be a good option for you. I will leave a link to this item down below so that you can get it for yourself. But yeah, I'm pleased. I can't wait to give them a go, and of course I'll feed back to you. So if you enjoy my content, please do remember to leave a like, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven. A huge thank you to those who support me over on Patreon. If you want to join them, you can do so from as little as $1 a month. That's all from me for today, and until next time, stay crafty.